The S&P 500, GSPC, increased percent, or points, as of market close. The Dow, DJI, rose percent, or points, while the Nasdaq, IXIC, rose percent, or points. Over the past several days, trade-related headlines and a bevy of misses on quarterly earnings expectations from major retailers weighed on blue-chip and technology shares. Despite Friday's gains, each of the three major indices was lower for the week, with the S&P 500 off by about 1.1%. On Thursday, President Donald Trump said that Huawei could be a component of an eventual trade pact with China, hinting at a potential rollback on the tough restrictions against doing business with the Chinese tech giant. That would dent supply chains for a spate of U.S. firms. It's possible that Huawei even would be included in some kind of a trade deal, Trump told reporters, according to Bloomberg News. Risk assets were bid ahead of Monday's holiday, which included West Texas Intermediate crude oil, CL=F. Energy was rebounding from its biggest drop of the year Thursday, with investors worried that the trade dispute could hammer global demand for oil. Meanwhile, prices for some safe haven assets fell. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note, which moves inversely to the price, rose by about 3 basis points and gold prices declined. Overseas, European stocks and sterling jumped after UK Prime Minister Theresa May announced that she will resign as Britain's Prime Minister on June 7, leaving an opening for a new leader to take over the Brexit process. In her exit speech, May said she had done her best to deliver the results of the 2016 European Union referendum. May will remain in her position until a successor is chosen in mid-July. The FTSE 100, FTSE, closed percent higher to 7, in Europe, while the British pound, GBP/USD=X, broke above dollar against the US dollar. Foot Locker, Florida, shares tumbled 16% Friday after missing expectations in first quarter results delivered before the bell. First quarter adjusted earnings per share, EPS, of $1 missed expectations by 7 cents, according to estimates compiled by Bloomberg. Comparable same-store sales rose just 4.6%, versus an increase of 5.5% expected, and revenue of $1 billion fell short of estimates for $1 billion. Shares of Nike, NKE, and Adidas, both brands that Foot Locker carries, also fell in pre-market trading, in sympathy with Foot Locker's earnings miss. Ross Stores, Rost, topped expectations in first quarter results, but guidance for the second quarter came up short compared to estimates. Shares declined percent as of market close. First quarter earnings per share of $1 beat estimates by 3 cents, and sales of $1 billion were just ahead of estimates for $1 billion. The off-price department store said it expects to deliver second quarter earnings of between $1 to $1 per share, below expectations for $1 per share. Autodesk, ADSK, shares declined after the software company missed Wall Street's expectations for quarterly sales and provided weak guidance for the full year. Adjusted earnings totaled 45 cents per share for the first quarter, matching estimates, while total sales of $735.5 million missed expectations for $740.6 million. Autodesk said it sees full-year adjusted EPS of between $1 to $1, with the midpoint missing estimates for $1. Second quarter adjusted EPS guidance also came in light, with the company guiding for between 59 cents to 63 cents a share. Emily McCormick is a reporter for News Pulse Finance. Follow her on Twitter, at Emily_MCCK. Follow News Pulse Finance on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Flipboard, LinkedIn, and Reddit.